Tava pane rimwe level senyika. Tava pane rimwe level takakwira chitundu musere ndokuvesera takananga mudenga muri Zimbabwe when it comes to politics. Tava kune rimwe level. But what would determine level iri tokrasha tichidonha padhaze kana kutoramba tiri kumusoro ka ma results court case because right now zvino seems like munoona silence will make you think kuti okay everybody is on Mnangagwa's side, everybody chichi because hapana ari kubudikira achida kuti kunzanza ari kutaurisa, but once vatanga kutaura chotigara chakaputika. So right now muri Zimbabwe tine court case, right? So tine court case isusu this story is actually has become a flashpoint in Zimbabwe's current political landscape, ichitenderera on high stakes legal battle over the independence of state institutions and the potential extension of an President Dambudzo Emerson Mnangagwa. So get the breakdown of the elements and the context surrounding KCSA. One, muri Zimbabwe pane the core conflict, which is the removal versus reassignment ya uyu anonzi JSL Majome. So the legal battle led by Alan Chipoy, mukomana we Constitution Defenders Forum, CDF, hinges on a technical but vital constitutional distinction. The government's stance, the president's office maintains that JSL Majome was not fired but reassigned to the Public Service Commission, PSC. They argue this falls under his executive powers to manage the civil service. Ali mukona game rakaitwa Jesse wakataura zvakataura ndobva mukomana mushifta because ari kuzva kuti kumudzinga chaiko hakusi muparliament, right? So the CDF's challenge, Chipoy uyu lawyer argues that because the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission, ZHRC, is a Chapter 12 independent institution, its chairperson cannot be simply moved like a regular civil servant. Tichitaura nezve section 237.3 and 187.8 ye-constitution yeMzimbabwe, a chairperson can only be removed for specific reasons like gross misconduct or mental incapacity. Zvinova zvese hazvina kumbogara zvaproviwa pana Jesse Majome, and or only after a formal tribunal process. And it number 2 muri Zimbabwe ndechekudai so the catalyst. So Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, Cap 3, the tension peaked after Majome issued a report on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. This bill is highly controversial because it proposes term extensions moving presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years. The 2030 goal, effectively allowing Mnangagwa to remain in power until 2030 by delaying the 2028 elections, ending direct elections, replacing the popular vote for president with a system where parliament elects the president, similar to the South African model. So Majome's report described the public hearings for this bill as exclusionary and a violation of human rights, alleging they were packed with buzzed-in supporters to drown out dissent. So number 3, the government's defense. Authorities have justified the move by attacking the validity of Majome's report. They claim lack of quorum. The report was issued while the ZHRC board was incomplete, meaning it didn't have the legal weight of the full commission. Procedural breaches. They argue she bypassed parliament, the proper channel for such reports, and went straight to the media to politicize the issue. Premature action. The government maintains she spoke out while the legislative process was still active, which they view as an overstep of her mandate. So number four, broader implications. Right, this case is being watched closely as a litmus test for Zimbabwean democracy. Judicial independence, all eyes are on the Constitutional Court to see if it will rule against the executive branch. Institutional integrity, if the court upholds the reassignment, critics fear it will set a precedent where any head of an independent commission, electoral, anti-corruption, etc. can be removed the moment they disagree with the president. So the Constitutional Defenders Forum he has framed this not just as a labor dispute for Majome, but as a fight to prevent a constitutional coup that would dismantle the checks and balances established in the 2013 constitution. So the outcome of Chipoi's application will likely determine whether the path to the 2030 term extension remains legally clear or faces a significant judicial roadblock. So muri kuzvinzwira muri yezimbabwe kuti zvakamira sei. Vakomana Constitution Defenders Forum, CDF National Youth Leader Alan Chipoi has taken President Emerson Mnangagwa to the Constitutional Court for his recent removal of the Human Rights Constitution Chairperson Jesse Majome. Handiti nenyaya yekuti wakaopoza zvakaitika pama-public hearings. So imimi muri yezimbabwe muri kuzvinzwa zvinhu izvi, muri kuzviona sei? It's a quick update. Pfungwa dzenyu ndo dzatoda kunzwa mucomment section. But tisati tapedza though, toda kumbobvunza a very important question, a honest question kumazimbabweans. Right, muri yezimbabwe patiri panapa munopaona sei? Do you think murume anonzi Mnangagwa have got good intentions? Do you think maybe there's a certain point of view yavari kuona vana Mnangagwa and his supporters that we might be missing, like that the public might be missing? Or do you think pane a point of view iri kuonekwa nepublic that those inside the Mnangagwa regime cannot see? What do you think about this? Do you think this is pure evil, cruel, utsinye, udzvanyiriri, wekuti munhu shuwa watongobatwa nezimwero kungoda kungoramba achingotkutonga achingoita chimonya? Moza mabhuru aya kuti tiri kumagrade 1 grade 2 kune zvimwe zvapana zvechita chimwe chibhuru chekuchita kutorova vamwe chita kudii, but zvozokorektwa nekufamba kwetime nematicha etc. But zvezvinacho chiundundunya chekuti kana pakashayikwa anokukorekta chinototi run wild. Do you think this is what is happening, or really it's real mathematics kutarisa world and how it's set up, systems, powers, how it's set up and say, you know what, this is the best system that can take us out of madaka matiru, kana kuti it's a combination of both? So muri Zimbabwe toda kunzwa pfungwa dzenyu dzakakosha. Make sure wasitaura something, because toda kumbotaura about this muri Zimbabwe, about system yatirora mairi inana America, United States of America, and the West vana Britain nana chi, and then kune the East kurubva vana China. China is a very strict country, inyika ine order, inyika yaya yekuti ine mtemo yaya yekuti shuwa unoona regai pokudza titauridaizvo, munoona chinonzi pamusha, kana muri pamba penyu mimi baba vako ndibaba vako, and hazvisi kuzombofa zvakachinja, and iwo unotozvigamuchira kuti ava ndibaba, and vachangoramba vari baba, and kana vakataura zvisina basa, inini ndine responsibility yekunyarara ndozvivataimira time ndoti pati mudhara paya ndoona soti mandikanganisira, handiti ndibaba kana kuti ndimai, you understand, vabereki vako, and there's no other way around it. But in politics manje tikada kutora Zimbabwe like it's that kind of family, zvinonetsa boys, because hautozi baba vangu, handiti, and handitombokutrust neniwo. So we would rather trust principles, laws, institutions rather than individuals, and because iwewe right, maybe unotrustika iwewe, but pachigaro pauri papapo tikaseta malaws ekuti whoever anogara ipapapo haatombotenderwi chero kukritisizwa, pachazogara benzi, handiti waiza, and kana pagara benzi rakushandisa all that power of like being a father of a nation to control, to censor, and to just do nyakanyaka. So ndo zvatichizama kuavoida. But muri Zimbabwe imimi ndimi mazimbabweans acho. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, notiziva netuma updates. Thank you for watching.